Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to disable HDR video playback in Instagram. Alright, let's begin. Let's learn how you can easily disable or turn off HDR video playback in the Instagram app on both iPhone and Android devices. So if you're scrolling through Instagram and you notice videos that are extremely bright or the colors seem washed out and you want the videos to look normal again, here's what you need to do. First, open the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device and go to your profile. Here's my profile page, and now I need to access my Instagram settings. To do that, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This will open the settings page. Now scroll down a bit until you find the option called Media Quality. That's the one you want to open. Once you're in the media quality settings, you'll see the upload at highest quality option as well as the use cellular data option. But what we want to focus on is the disable display of HDR media option. Once you turn this on, it will essentially stop displaying those super bright HDR videos that can hurt your eyes because they're too bright or make the colors look washed out, especially if your device isn't compatible with HDR content. By disabling HDR playback, you can also save some battery life on your phone since HDR videos use more processing power and battery to deliver that high dynamic range. But that's about it, everyone. So that's basically how you can disable HDR video playback in Instagram. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.